Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Hopefully all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. Today I have some great news to share with you. That's why I'm so excited. Today I'm going to buy a new laptop for me. That's why I'm so excited. That is the reason why I came here, and now as you can see I'm in front of the camera, and this place is kind of beautiful, and this place name is Sheikh Russell Nagar Park, and this is the very place where I come randomly and make. So I already made so many videos over here, so that's why I feel good when I come here. And today I have come here in order to share my excitement with all of you. That is the reason, and it's very early in the morning. It's a foggy morning, of course, as it's winter. It's quite normal to see fog in the morning. Okay, so let's tell you why I'm so excited. As I said, today I'm going to buy a new laptop for me. That is the reason of all my excitement. Last night I didn't sleep throughout the night just because of this reason. Last night I thought when I will go to Dhaka, when I will buy my new laptop. And when last night my brother came to our home, and when he said to me, brother, we are going to buy a new laptop tomorrow, that time I was over the moon, and still now I am over the moon, and I will be happy. I'm very much sure about it. When I will buy my new laptop, I will be happy. And I always wanted to have a laptop to help myself in my own English journey, and I'm very very hopeful that by using this laptop I will take my learning English into the next level. I will do so many good things, and I will make many more good things by using this laptop. And as a student, and as a content creator as I have been making English videos for so many days. So if I have a laptop, then it would be better for me, and that's why finally I'm going to buy a new laptop. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited. And I can't, as I mentioned, I can't express my happiness today. I'm over the moon, to be honest. And it wasn't a easy decision. I mean, my mother gave me the idea, because I'm from a middle class family. I don't have a rich background, so it was really a tough decision, because a laptop is, it takes, if I want to buy a new laptop, it will take, like, so much, I mean, so much money. And as I am from a middle class family, so it wasn't easy. It's not easy for my family to afford this money. That's why we had to take out a loan from an NGO. NGO means non-governmental organization. And I we draw the money 2 weeks earlier, but my brother is so much busy with his own work. That's why we couldn't buy it earlier. But at last today we are going to buy my new laptop. That's why this is the reason of all my happiness. And I want to take a moment to show my gratitude to my family members, especially my elder brothers, my mothers, and of course my father. My mother gave me the idea, and later I discussed about this topic with my parent, with my father, and with my elder brother. And they agreed with me, and that is why all the things are going to be happen. And of course, by using the laptop, by using my knowledge of English, and by making videos, I'm very much sure I'm going to do something better. And I am working hard, just because to achieve success, and just because of to make my parents proud, to do something better for their self, I mean, for my family members. And that is the reason why I'm doing this kind of things. And at the same time, I'm also trying to inspire some people for learning English. And I already inspired so many people for learning English. And when I upload my video on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel, that time they really, they always appreciate my video. They always show their love towards me, and this is something always encourage me from my inside. Yes, that is the thing. Okay, so this is all about my happiness, and I'm so happy. I'm so delighted with all the things that is going on with me. And hopefully today in the afternoon, I will go to Dhaka with my friend, with my elder brother, and with his some of his friends. And maybe today I will have a laptop. Yeah, that was my dream, and already today my dream is becoming true. So that is the reason why I'm so happy. And as you can see, it's morning time, so that's why there are so many people available, and they have come here in order to take a morning walk. And if you live in Naranganj and if you know Sheikh Russell Nagar Park very well, then you know this kind of things actually happen in every morning, because people are very conscious about their health, especially those whose age above 60 or like above 50. They are very conscious about their health. And we must get up early in the morning in order to get some fresh air, in order to take a morning walk. I'm always rise early in the morning, because if I rise early in the morning, I get enough time to do my daily works. I get enough opportunity. And if we want to be a productive one, then we have to have to wake up early in the morning. It will give you so much time to do your work and do something better in your life. Yes, so that's why I always try to wake up early in the morning. Try to inspire yourself by doing this kind of things. I'm making this video to inspire myself. At the same time, I'm also trying to inspire others, so that we all can do something better. And I strongly believe that we all together can do something better. Yes, my journey wasn't a easy one, because when I started my journey, there was no one around me who was doing something like this. But my mindset was all right, on the right direction. That is why after 9 months, still I am making English videos. When I started my journey, that time I saw so many people was making video that time. But now I can see that only few still available to make video. Most of them already give up. So that's why never ever give up. Try to focus on your dreams, try to focus on your visions, what you actually try to do, where you want to see yourself. These things will motivate you from your inside. It's motivating me from my inside. That is the reason. Okay, so the video is getting longer. I'm so happy, I'm so excited with all these things. And hopefully today I will go to Dhaka, and I will go Agargao, maybe, as far as my brother last night told me, as far as I remember. So let's see how it goes. Of course, I will try to make some videos when I will go to Dhaka, and I will show you what will happen over there. And I will try to give you all kind of updates. So still then, stay tuned, and thanks for watching this video. I'm so very proud and I'm so very excited with uh, as I said, today I'm going to buy a new laptop. Okay, so I think it's time to finish this video. And have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself. Always try to keep learning. Always try to believe in yourself. Yeah, that's all. Have a great day.